Ever press the action button and nothing happened? 4 simple ways to fix. Check action button customization. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Action button. You'll see different options for what the button can do. Make sure silent mode is selected. Once it's selected, press the action button again and check if silent mode activates. If it still doesn't work, try the next fix. Update your iPhone software. Open the Settings app on your device. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version, because updates often fix bugs related to system features like the action button. After updating, test the button again. Still not working? Let's try another fix. Force restart your iPhone. Press and release volume up. Press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding. Ignore slide to power off. Release when you see the Apple logo. This does not delete your data. It simply reloads the system software and clears temporary glitches. If the problem continues, visit an Apple store. The problem might be related to hardware. In that case, it's best to visit an authorized Apple store or service center so they can check the action button properly. And that's it.